Watch this. Oh, the way I thought it was gonna glide and look really cool. Howdy y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm Allie. Nice to meet you. And if you're returning, I missed you and I'm glad to see you back here. So today we're selling some thrifted pieces. I went through my comments on my Thrift With Me's and chose the most liked items to style today. Every piece that we're gonna style I've never styled before, so it's gonna be very go with the flow, and I'm actually gonna encourage y'all to give me your input via brain wavelength. So prep your brain, I'm ready to send your opinions to me so we can create some cute outfits. Without further ado, let's get into it. Enjoy! So the coats were some of the most popular items, so let's start with styling the cheetah one. Okay, it's definitely giving indie sleaze, so I'm thinking we start off with fishnets because that's a good staple in the indie sleaze aesthetic. Okay, good start. I'm starting to see the vision. So indie sleaze is characterized by a lot of mini skirts, distressed jean shorts, and shapeless dresses. So I'm thinking of two different options. We could go the shapeless dress route, or we could do this mini black denim skirt with this white graphic tank. Let's try them on and then send me your wavelengths of which you like better. Okay, so here we have option A. I think the denim skirt is very much the vibe, but I'm not sure about the top. Something about it is too bright. Maybe white is not indie sleaze. Let's try the shapeless dress. Okay, send me those wavelengths. Tell me what you like better. Not gonna lie, I actually really like this one a good amount better. I feel like the black is just more accurate to the kind of indie sleaze look, and since there's not much brightness going on in the coat and with the fishnets, I think the black just ties in really well. We're starting to get the look. Let's add some jewelry. Now, jewelry is gonna be what really makes this fit come to life, right? So we gotta choose some good stuff. Immediately, I'm thinking my favorite cross necklace. I feel like the colors like go well because of this like brassy color with the yellowish brownish hue of the coat, and also just crosses kind of go with everything. But then I feel like in the indie sleaze era there weren't many earrings being worn, so we're just gonna go with these little simple ones. You know who I look like? Sarah Paulson from the season Hotel of American Horror Story. Like, pretty sure she was wearing a cheetah coat and a shapeless dress. What can I say? American Horror Story, you should hire me for your set clothing design. Alrighty, let's do shoes. Kind of feel like this one's a no-brainer, but we got our combat platform boots. I feel like indie sleaze is a mix of grunge and alternative and punk. It was Tumblr era, but like the punk side of Tumblr era. And so with that, I feel like comes the punkification of the outfit. Oh yes, this fit is looking good. The queen of indie sleaze is Sky Ferreria, which if you don't know who she is, she was huge back in the Tumblr era. This is her. She always had very messy hair. So I think we gotta make our hair look kind of crazy, which I'm literally just gonna do this. Just looks like wind went through it. Okay, you know what? Let's actually put it up. Okay, we went kind of messy ponytail mode, and I think that this whole outfit looks so good. What do you guys think? Did we hit the indie sleaze mark? I feel like we definitely did. She's cute. American Horror Story costume designer, I'm coming for you. I have been so excited to style this ever since I saw it on the rack, and it's time. All right guys, well this is the final fit. Ha! JK, gotcha. You think I would wear red pajama pants with this top? Obviously I'd wear blue, but since I don't have blue pajama pants, let's choose some other bottoms. So off the bat, I'm not really sure where to take this look. I feel like it could go in multiple ways. So we have some bottom options. Thinking either denim jeans, a little flare leg, a white skirt to keep like the white and white going, or a middle ground of a denim skirt. You know, thinking about it, I'm feeling like these little silver buttons really complement the beading in the top. And since this is very like shapely and really emphasizes the girlies, I think it'd be useful to have a bottom that is not very shapely. Let's put it on. Oh my gosh, I love this. Also, side tangent, I used to be absolutely terrified of wearing low-rise items because, you know, we're showing a lot and there's a lot of insecurities that can actually come with that. But then I realized I love fashion so much. Why am I restricting myself? I look beautiful. You look beautiful. I can see you, girl. Just remember, if people are judging you, they're not great people. And you're an amazing person for doing what you love, even if you're scared. Wear that low-rise skirt, girl. Oh, I just love this. Okay, let's do jewelry. So in my thrift with me in which I bought this top, someone commented that I should wear my cowboy boot earrings with it. I think that was such a good idea. Look how cute they are. See, I read all y'all's comments, so you can always leave me styling tips. Okay, now that I've put these in, immediately I know that I've got to pair them with the white cowboy boots. Oh, yes, Miss Ma'am. Almost forgot to do the necklace. Okay. I need y'all's help. We have either the cross or the pearl necklace. See, I feel like the cross is like a very country thing, you know? But the pearls just match these beads so well. Send me your brain wavelengths. Let me know which you like better. I feel like I'm hearing the pearls. Oh my gosh, the pearls were the right choice. Now we got the cowboy boot earrings and the cowboy boots. Since we're committing to this cowboy boot thing, I think we got a full commit to cowgirl look. Oh, it's time for the crowning. Oh my gosh, guys. I love this so much. I feel like Megan Fox if I was in a Western film. Like, I'm a cowgirl. I could totally lasso cattle. Yeah. No, but for real, this outfit is so cute. I could literally die in it. I definitely want to wear this to campus, but I know I'll get judged. But like, if you're not getting judged, you're not doing it right, and that's just a fact. The cool people will know. Yeehaw. All right, let's get really girly and go with the Taro colored sleek dress. Oh, she is so precious. I feel like with this, we gotta go for the very girly, soft girl look. Immediately, yes. This cat beanie is one of my favorite accessories I own. So adorable and so cutesy, and I feel like it just matches this dress vibe very well. I'm really not quite sure what to do next, but I feel like we gotta match the beanie somehow. So since the beanie is very winter vibe, I thought of adding these white fur boots. They very much give like winter because of this lining, and then I just love the toe as well. Let's put them on. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I am already loving this look so much. I'm really liking how right now the purple is standing out in the sea of white. So I think we gotta keep it that way and accessorize with just some more white. So I'm gonna put on this white flower necklace and matching earrings. Oh my gosh, how precious is she? Let's do something with our hair. Again, we're rocking this very girly, cutesy look, so I'm thinking of adding low pigtails. Oh my gosh. This is so adorable. I just feel so cute right now. Isn't she just so cute? I feel like this is totally a cute date outfit. I need to call my boyfriend so he can take me out. We're heavy switching up the vibe and doing this black lace Betsy Johnson dress. This dress really is cute on. I already know what shoes have to go with this dress. My monster boots. I feel like this dress is just so gothic or grunge, and I feel like these boots really speak to that energy. Watch this. Oh, the way I thought it was gonna glide and look really cool. Let's try again. Look at this. Oh. Okay, never mind. Okay, but aren't these insane? I feel like these boots go so well with any like black mini dress or mini skirt. This is like extra giving. Okay, since I'm kind of going for this grungy look, I feel like we need to add some red. I just feel like the color palette of grunge is black and red. Nothing more, nothing less. Since all we have going on is the dress and the boots, and I don't think I'm gonna add any other things besides jewelry now, we gotta go crazy with the jewelry. So I'm gonna stack black cross, black little circle thingy, and red heart eye. You know, I still don't feel like it's crazy enough. So let's add some beads. Oh yes, look at that. Now it's looking kind of crazy. Now earrings, my lovely friends. I'm debating between matching earrings with the heart necklace or my DC women earrings. Both of them have that red I want to incorporate, but it's really hard. Should we go the simple way and tie in the necklace and the earrings, or should we go the kind of funky way? Send those brain wavelengths, friends. Let's do the character ones. I know a lot of y'all love my character earrings, and I love them too because they're just so fun and quirky and different, and they're definitely an eye catcher. And look at that, that's so cute. Last jewelry item, I'm gonna add this cross bracelet. Look how cute, so cute, so cute. Let's do something with the hair to finish off the look. You guys know I'm a fan of the low buns, but I'm thinking we do some crazy looking high buns today. Oh my gosh, guys. What do we think of this look? I love it. I love how the accessories are carrying this outfit. Like, all we had to do was slap on some shoes and jewelry. We got ourselves a cool, sick, grunge rockstar girlfriend outfit. And this dress looks so good. Miss Betsy knew what she was doing. Well, that was really fun. I loved styling those with y'all. Comment your favorite outfit. My favorite was definitely the white bra top with the denim skirt. I still can't get over that outfit. Also, please support me and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you can follow my other socials here. You can show my depop here. And I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all are amazing. Can't wait to see y'all next time. Bye.